Hello friends, in this tutorial we will cover quick and high level summary of Pentaho data integration tool. In this tutorial we will cover introduction to Pentaho data integration tool, use of Pentaho data integration tool and architectural components. So what is Pentaho data integration tool? Pentaho data integration is an extract, transform and load ETL tool. Pentaho is a graphical extract transform load designer to simplify the creation of data mappings and pipelines. Pentaho is having its own rich library of pre-built components to access, prepare, and blend data from relational sources, big data stores, enterprise applications, and more. Pentaho is also known as Kettle. Pentaho Data Integration Tool is an open source tool readily available in the market. You can download Pentaho Data Integration Tool from Pentaho official website. Use of Pentaho Data Integration Tool. Pentaho is mainly used for data warehouse population within organization. Pentaho is also used for migrating data between applications or databases. To extract and load data, Pentaho is also used for data cleansing. Pentaho is also used for Hadoop and big data processing. There are n number of connectors present in the market which are used as plug and play with the Pentaho data integration tool, which support multiple transformations. Pentaho data integration architecture. Pentaho data integration primarily composed of four components: spoon, pan, kitchen, and carte. Spoon. Spoon is a desktop application that uses a graphical interface and editor for transformations and jobs. Spoon provides a way for you to create a complex ETL jobs without having to read or write code. When you think of Pentaho data integration as a product, Spoon is what comes to mind because as a developer, this is the application on which you will spend most of your time. Spoon is mostly used for creation of your transformations and jobs. If you if you want to compare Spoon with any other ETL tool, so you can compare Spoon component with Informatica Mapping Designer. In Informatica Mapping Designer, you create a mapping. Similarly, in Spoon, you create transformation and jobs. Next component for Pentaho data integration is a PAN. PAN is a standalone command line process that can be used to execute the transformation and jobs you created in a Spoon. So PAN is just to execute the transformation and jobs you created in the Spoon. So you can compare PAN with Informatica sessions, which are used to execute your mapping. Similarly, PAN is used to execute the transformations. The data transformation engine PAN reads data and writes data to various data sources. PAN is also used to manipulate data. Next component is the kitchen, a standalone command line process that can be used to execute the jobs. Jobs are usually scheduled to run in a batch mode at regular intervals. The next component is a carte. Carte is a lightweight web container that allows you to set up a dedicated remote ETL server. So this was a very high level summary of Pentaho data integration tool, use of Pentaho tool and the architectural components. In our next tutorial, we will cover Pentaho graphical user interface, This is the Pentaho graphical user interface, the data integration tool. We will cover this in our next tutorial with the help of sample scenarios and mappings. Thank you. Please do subscribe and like for more videos on data integration tool and scenario based questions.